When he was just 10 years old, a little boy was playing with his toy perfume bottle. It had a tiny decorative ball on top, cute but dangerous. As he sniffed the bottle curiously, the ball suddenly popped off and shot straight into his nose. Panic followed. His parents rushed him to the hospital. The doctor checked and said, "There's nothing there, everything looks fine," and sent him back home. Life moved on. Fast forward 30 years. Now 40, he's living a normal life, until one day, out of nowhere, a monstrous sneeze hits him. Achoo. And guess what? That tiny ball shot out of his nose like a rocket. 30 years later, he held it in his hand, stunned. And for the first time in